Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are exploring a new study that puts AI agents to the ultimate test in the professional world of data visualization. While AI can write code and chat, making a chart that actually helps a business make decisions is a complex challenge. The researchers behind this paper have introduced DV World, a benchmark designed to evaluate how AI handles real-world scenarios. Most current AI tests take place in simplified environments, but this study looks at how agents deal with messy, real-life spreadsheets. The DV World benchmark is split into three main domains that represent a professional life cycle. The first is DV Sheet, where the AI must create, fix, or build full dashboards directly within spreadsheet software. Next is DV Evolution, which requires the AI to update existing charts as data changes or as a user requests new styles. The third area is DV Interact, testing if the AI can actually talk back to a human to clarify what they want. This is important because human requests are often vague, like asking to see trends without specifying which dates or metrics to use. To judge the AI, they used a combination of hard data checks and other AI models acting as judges. They checked for table value alignment to make sure the numbers in the chart were actually correct. They also looked at aesthetics and professional design to ensure the final product was actually usable. The results show that even the most famous AI models still have a long way to go. Top models like GPT and Gemini scored less than 50% on the overall tasks. A major hurdle for these agents is data accuracy. They often fail at value-level alignment when working with spreadsheets. When fixing a broken chart, the AI often accidentally deletes data or breaks the connections that make the chart work. In dashboard creation, many models struggle to plan out where to put charts and tables effectively. One of the most interesting findings is that AI agents often try to guess a user's intent rather than asking for clarification. This leads to charts that look okay at first glance, but do not actually answer the user's real question. The study also highlighted interactive avoidance, where the AI blindly follows a command even if it knows the instruction is ambiguous. The researchers provided several examples of bad cases where the AI failed in spectacular ways. Some charts had so much overlapping text that they were completely illegible to a human reader. Other models made math errors, like showing a decrease as an upward-pointing bar. These failures show that we are not yet at a point where AI can be left to handle data analysis without human supervision. To recap, DV World shows that professional data visualization is a major bottleneck for current AI technology. The most critical challenges are maintaining numerical precision, following complex software rules, and communicating with users. For the future, this research provides a roadmap for making AI more proactive and reliable in the office. We may eventually see AI that can manage entire data life cycles, but for now, human oversight is still essential. Thank you for watching Summarize Science, and stay curious about the future of technology.